Hello there. Okay, it's only 8 degrees and it's already feeling like 15. So I can't wait for tomorrow and the day after. It's gonna be wet as fuck. It's gonna be raining, but at least it's comfortable to exist outside. But yeah, today, oh damn, there's a lot of cars coming. Today, my bus ended up being on a diversion, hence why I am walking half the way to the park. I felt like I had nothing to do at home, and this would give me kind of that break for the mind. I was productive in the first half and then it just fell off. So yeah, taking my camera with me and gonna be filming in the woods. So yeah, that's the plan. I have a video where I filmed in the woods already, but this time round, as you might tell, it's a bit dark and it's only gonna get darker, so I quite enjoy the dark look of like woods, forest, and the trees with the contrast with the sky. I like that, how all that looks. So I'm gonna try to capture it in the same style as I did before. We'll see how that goes. I am not planning to do a recording in the forest, hence I'm doing it now, and maybe I'll do it after as well. But overall, yeah, I want to have this time to myself where I can hopefully try finding some beauty within the nature, dark nature that I can let you witness as well. I'll try showing that. In addition, I do have another aim for when I'm walking in the woods, is that I have an aim to, I guess, pray as I'm having this little adventure. In 2025, since I already made so many decisions to improve my lifestyle in general, and improve my mental mind state and all that. In addition, I also wanted to improve my relationship with God. I am religious. I am Christian Orthodox. But in general, it's like the way my family believes and all, it's like we don't stick to the sort of strict routine and how to follow religion. We don't pray before food. We don't constantly go to church every Sunday or even every month. But we believe. My grandma knows a lot of prayers. She knows it all. And whenever she explains it to me, it's like I listen, but I never gather that knowledge inside my head. Someday in the future, I see myself actually reading the Bible and I guess remembering all that information. Other than that, the way my relationship with God and Christianity has been is to do, well, whenever I would visit my country, whenever I see cathedrals, I do generally go in there. Whenever I visit other countries, I yeah, I pray in those cathedrals and churches. I used to pray quite a few times, well, in my room, of course, when I'm in my bed. But yeah, and I feel like I never prayed whilst being on a walk. That's the idea that Heinz ended up putting in my mind, of like going to nature and then talking and then praying as you walk around, which is what I'm trying today. In combination of hopefully capturing the beauty that God has created himself. Kind of that. Kind of just like that. And yeah, the reason why I wanted to, within this year, also improve my relationship with God, and talk to him more is, I don't know, God knows everything that I've been through, everything that I've done, and if there is one, I guess, person that I talk to about everything, it should be God. And yeah, God will listen, God will understand, and I want to be able to converse with someone during my journey, and then yeah, to be able to actually voice my thoughts, voice my troubles, voice my obstacles that I overcome, and to actually voice the journey that I am going through. So it's not like just I'm living it and then that's it. Like I need to put it out there, because that's, once you actually sometimes like say your thoughts out loud, it makes you realize just either how stupid they are, how it's something that you shouldn't give your energy towards, and sometimes actual realizations happen from just having that talk, from just putting the worries into words. And yeah, so I'm trying that out, and I just know it's gonna go great, and I think I will start adding that to my routine, where I'm able to talk to God more freely and calmly. But yeah, nearly walked into the car. I went into an Eastern European shop. I bought these Karums. Karums is basically a brand and they make a lot of random sweet stuff. And this in particular, in Russian we call it сырочки, сырочек. And I absolutely love them. So now I got off right next to an Eastern European shop. I decided to grab one. This one I haven't actually tried before, so we'll see how it goes. And sometimes they put these like in very low temperature freezers. So this is rock hard. Nearly drove into by a bike. There's actually a lot more people walking here now, since there's a diversion. But alright, perfect timing. I'm literally just arriving to the park here. And the video is ending. So yeah. Talk to someone. That's your mission. Talk to someone. Even if you don't believe, like, I guess don't talk to God, talk to yourself out loud, and you'll understand how much benefit that brings out to you. All right, bye bye.